Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a product that has captured the hearts of many, the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. If you're tired of battling frizz and looking for that perfect solution, you're in the right place. This serum is often hailed as the best anti-frizz hair serum, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why. Let's start with an overview. The Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum comes in a convenient 5.1 fluid ounce bottle, available in a pack of 2. It features Moroccan argan oil, renowned for its nourishing properties, and is designed to penetrate dry and frizzy hair, leaving it smooth and shiny. The serum promises long-lasting control over frizz, making it a go-to for anyone seeking sleek hair. What sets this serum apart is its powerful formula. It's specially crafted to tackle the unmanageable nature of frizzy hair. The argan oil works to hydrate and tame strands, providing a sleek finish that lasts throughout the day. The serum is also paraben-free, which is a plus for those conscious about the ingredients in their hair care products. With a delightful citrus scent, using this serum feels like a luxurious treat for your hair. Using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum is simple. After washing your hair, apply a small amount to either wet or dry hair. Distribute it evenly from mid-lengths to the ends, focusing on areas that tend to be frizzier. You can style as usual, and the serum will work its magic, giving you that sought-after sleek and shiny look. One of the standout features of this serum is its performance. Many users have reported significant improvements in the manageability of their hair. Whether you're dealing with humidity or simply want to keep your hair looking polished, this serum has proven effective. It reduces frizz and flyaways, making it ideal for all hair types, particularly those prone to dryness and frizz. Now, let's talk about value. Priced at around $13.94 for a pack of 2. This serum is a cost-effective option compared to many high-end hair care products on the market. Considering the quantity and quality, it offers great bang for your buck. For anyone looking to invest in their hair care routine without breaking the bank, this serum is definitely worth a try. In conclusion, the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum stands out as the best anti-frizz hair serum available today. Its effective formula, ease of use, and affordability make it a fantastic addition to any hair care routine. If you're ready to say goodbye to frizz and hello to sleek, shiny hair, give this serum a shot. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Share your thoughts on the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum in the comments below. Until next time, keep your hair looking fabulous.